My name is Malik Fultz. I'm the raw materials coordinator for Bimbo QSR, formerly East Balt Bakeries, which just got bought out. Well, I got hired as the super user for TraceGains. They were trying to streamline the process. Of course, dealing with paper, it's always difficult because you're trying to gather and keep things in one place. So they found a platform where it can house, all of those things and kind of simplify the process, make it easily accessible to anybody. We have close to 25 different bakeries worldwide. We're in 9 different languages. So yeah, we needed something that would bring everything together. I have no complaints at all. Actually, it's been wonderful. I don't know if I've had an issue that we couldn't overcome in a phone call. I mean, there's been times where we've had to bring like every box of papers that we had owned into, the meeting space and still couldn't find the COA. So, nightmare, if I was to categorize it anyway, a nightmare prior to TraceGains. Implementation process has been easy. If I could say easy is probably the perfect word. With anything new, you might have some resistance because people, I know where I work, they're comfortable doing what they've been doing for years. A lot of them think that you have to be tech savvy because it's a, computer anything. You know what I mean? Especially with the cloud-based software. Cloud, what is the cloud? TraceGains has always been extremely self-explanatory, and that translates to user-friendly. It takes a lot of the work away to have a place where you can access from anywhere. You can get into your portal from anywhere. You're traveling in China, you're in Spain. You can get into your portal. You can send your customers or your suppliers any document they need, 3 clicks probably most. And if you're using Post Ones, you don't even have to communicate with them. Post it to your site. Everybody gets it. So just the convenience it's mind-boggling.